How do you divide one fraction by another fraction? To divide fractions, you multiply the first one by the reciprocal of the second one. The reciprocal of a fraction is the fraction flipped upside down. Let's see how this works with 4/5 divided by 7/8. To divide fractions, keep the first fraction the same. Then flip the second fraction to find its reciprocal. The reciprocal of 7/8 is 8/7. Now change the division sign to a multiplication sign. So 4/5 divided by 7/8 becomes 4/5 times 8/7. Now multiply the fractions. Multiply the numerators. 4 times 8 equals 32. Multiply the denominators. 5 times 7 equals 35. So 4/5 divided by 7/8 equals 32/35. Let's try another example. 2/5 divided by 3/7. Keep the first fraction, 2/5. Flip the second fraction to find its reciprocal. The reciprocal of 3/7 is 7/3. Change division to multiplication. 2/5 times 7/3. Multiply the numerators. 2 times 7 equals 14. Multiply the denominators. 5 times 3 equals 15. So 2/5 divided by 3/7 equals 14/15. To divide fractions, keep the first fraction, flip the second fraction to find its reciprocal, and change division to multiplication. Then multiply the fractions. One important reminder: only flip one fraction, not both. The first fraction stays the same. Now it's your turn. Let's divide 2/3 by 3/4. Let's work through it together. First, keep the first fraction the same. What is the first fraction? Yes, 2/3. Now flip the second fraction. What is the reciprocal of 3/4? It's 4/3. Change division to multiplication. Now multiply 2/3 times 4/3. Multiply the numerators. What is 2 times 4? It's 8. Multiply the denominators. What is 3 times 3? Yes, 9. So 2/3 divided by 3/4 equals what? Yes, 8/9. To divide fractions, keep the first fraction, flip the second fraction to find its reciprocal, change division to multiplication, and then multiply.